Mr. Zuka is teaching Mr. Hill and Mr. Forgetti how to make giant snowflake decorations for the party. First, Mr. Zuka works with Mr. Hill and they complete the first snowflake decoration in 40 minutes. Then, Mr. Zuka works with Mr. Forgetti and they complete the second decoration in 35 minutes. After that, all three work together on the third decoration and it takes 32 minutes. Confident his pupils have learned, Mr. Zuka steps away to let Mr. Hill and Mr. Forgetti complete the fourth decoration. How many minutes will it take them to do so, working together? Oh, okay. So they work together to make giant snowflake decorations. So, okay. So I'm guessing that the total time it takes. Wait. The total time it takes to complete the decoration is like. How do you figure that out? Given. Hmm. So let's say f is the function for the time it takes. F of Zuka and Hill is equal to 40. F of Zuka and Forgetti is equal to 35. And F of Zuka, Forgetti, and Hill is equal to 32. Okay. So I was thinking like, oh, and then we're asked to find F of Forgetti and Hill. I was thinking like, maybe it's like for like one half like if you take the total time to take Mr. Zuka, it's one half Zuka plus one half Hill. Or that's the same as the average of Zuka and Hill. But it's if you have two people working, it's always going to be faster than one person. Or it's not always, but it's probably going to be faster than one person working. So Mr. Zuka Z f of z is probably greater than 40. Um, because it could literally be. I don't know. I don't know how much it speeds up given when one person. I don't even know if this is like linear or not. I mean, okay, I'm gonna assume that this is linear somehow. Is it just z plus f is equal to, or z plus h is equal to 40, z plus f is equal to 35? Z plus f plus h equals 32. Z, f plus h is equal to 1. It takes 40 minutes for them to do that, to complete the snowflake. They do one snowflake per 40 minutes. you can assume if Zuka does one snowflake in 80 minutes, Mr. Hill does one snowflake in 80 minutes. 2 times the work, you do one snowflake in 40 minutes. 1 over 80 plus 1 over 80 is equal to 1 over 40. Okay, I think that's it. So Zuka plus Hill is equal to 1 every 40 minutes. Zuka plus Forgetti is equal to 1 over 80 minutes. Then Hill plus Forgetti is equal to, oh, not 1 over 80 minutes. 1 over 35 minutes. Is 1 over 30, no. Zuka plus Hill plus Forgetti is 1 over 32. So we're asked to find H plus F. Okay. So if Zuka plus Hill is equal to this, so 1 over 40 minus H is equal to 1 over 35 minus F. 1 over 40 minus 1 over 35 is equal to H minus F. What am I doing? Okay. They both share a factor of 5, but this has a factor of 7. This has a factor of 8. Okay, so if we do 7 over, we just need 8, and 8 times, no, 56 over 40 times 56. No, 40 times, no, I'm doing this wrong. 7 over 40 times 7 minus 8 over 35 times 8 is equal to H minus F. So, it's going to be a negative 1 over 40 times 7 is 280. 280? Yeah. So I guess 280 is equal to F minus H. Just rearrange this. Okay. Can we plug that in here somehow? H is equal to F minus 1 divided by 280. Put that in here. So Z plus 2F minus 1 over 280 is equal to 1 over 32. So Z plus 2F is equal to 1 over 32 minus, or I guess plus 1 over 280. And now, can we just solve given this? Okay, so plug that into there. So, I guess, okay, I need to solve this then. So 280 is 8 times 5 times 7. This is 8 times 4. So Z plus 2F is equal to 4 over, no. I need to multiply this by 5 and 7. So 35 over 32 times, I guess 32 times 5 times 7 plus, it's just going to be 4 over 280 times 4 So this equates to 280 times 4 is 3208. So it's going to be 1120 is equal to 39 over 1120. So now we know that z is equal to 39 over 1120 minus 2f. Plug that in here, I guess. So we get, I don't know, I want to solve for f, or solve for z. So 2f is equal to 39 over 1120 minus z. So f is equal to 39 over 2240 minus 2z. Plug that in here. We get z plus 39 over 2240 minus 2z is equal to 1 over 35. That gives us 39 over 2240 minus, and it's going to equal, this is minus z over here, so we add z on this side is equal to z. I forgot that. Minus 35, minus 1 over 35 is equal to z. I guess this is 39 over, this is 35 times 2 times 4, no, times 2 times 5 times 7, minus, and then we're going to have to do 2 times 5 times 7, minus 70 over, this is negative. I'll be right back. Yeah, guys, I'm not really sure how you get the answer. I'm just gonna look it up, or look at it, because I don't really know how to get there. I took, but like I feel like the way I did it kind of works, but I got a negative number, so I don't know. Let's check. Yeah, so the way they did it is they started similar to me, where they had these ratios, and they had the addition over here. But the way they did it is they did like 2 times this is equal to this. They said 2 times this is equal to this minus this or something. And that's how they got the answer, which is fairly clever, but I didn't do that. Cool, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Goodbye.